Oh no, yeah. We ain't doing pork steaks. We doing pineapple pork, yeah. And it's gonna be so tasty. Let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
So let's go ahead and take our pork steak. We gonna go and cube this bad boy up, y'all. Make them tasty. You know, just want to cube it into like bite-sized pieces. I mean, you can do a little bigger if that's what you like, but I'm gonna make mine by bite-sized pieces, y'all. Yeah, about just like that, y'all. About just like that. So yeah, y'all, this is what it look like when our pork get all cut up. And hey, we gonna turn our attention to our wok, and we gonna get us a tablespoon of sesame oil in it. And then we gonna add our veg. Our veg is bell pepper and onion. Now after we get that bell pepper and onion in, I decided to go ahead and put me a couple pieces of broccoli in there. Just give it a little bit more flavor, a little bit more texture, a little bit more taste, y'all. Then we gonna get our broccoli in. So let's give that a mixy mix. Breaking up them onions as we go. And of course, you know we got a rain on. Gotta hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. Then we gonna combine that so it starts sweating them onions and bell peppers out. And as soon as those get sweated, we're gonna take them off that eye and get them into a bowl. So the reason that I did my veggies first is because when I add them back to my mixture, I want them to keep a little bit of that crisp. I don't want them to cook the whole time. So anyway, let's get in our pork now. Now I had to add an extra couple tablespoons of sesame oil to my wok for my pork. And we're gonna get this to cooking. And of course, you know, we gotta rain on them, gotta hit them with a little salt and pepper. Gotta keep that seasoning going, y'all. Give that a little mixy mix. And while we waiting on that to get a little color on that pork, we're gonna go ahead and chop up our pineapple, y'all. Now, hey, these pineapple skins, you really don't have to throw them away. They make great meat tenderizer. You just throw the whole thing in a food processor or a good blender, grind it all, and pour it over top of some meat. And hey, you got some tenderized meat, y'all. So the only thing we doing with our pineapple after we get it all cut off and skin off. We just cubing it up. Cubing it up. Now I'm gonna take my rind from my pineapple and I'm gonna use it on a beef roast, one of them top round roasts, and let it sit overnight. Well, not overnight. That's too long. About 2-3 hours. And that pineapple is gonna tenderize that meat chop. Don't that pork look good? It's about done. So we gonna get our pineapple in. And we almost ready to eat, y'all. We gonna get this quick mix and mix. And to this, we gonna add in some soy sauce. And a little bit of honey. Now you're looking at about a tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, y'all. And we're gonna mix that up. Let them flavors start liking each other. Give it a second. And then after about 2 minutes, we're gonna add in our veg that we already cooked. And we just gonna mix that together, y'all. And hey, don't let this simmer for about 1 minute. Just let everything start liking each other, because we don't really want our veggies to get too soft. And then we're gonna get that out. And oh yeah, look at that plate. Oh my goodness, look at that plate. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.